In this video, I'm going to show you how to change mileage rate in Expensify. So the first thing you want to do, you have to create your workspace. Now, assuming you have a workspace, you then want to go to settings over here, and then click on workspaces. But if you don't have a workspace, you simply have to click new workspace or somewhere here on the screen in case that's gonna be popping up for you. You can just create a new workspace, give it a name, and that's it. Now, from here, you then want to click on your workspace. So go to workspaces on the left, click on your workspace. And from here, you want to first click on more features over here. And then where it says this distance rates, it says add, update, and enforce rates. You want to turn this on. And now a new window will pop up on the left, which you want to click. Now over here, as you can see, you will have a rate, which is 0.70 euros per mile, so 70 cents per mile, and this one is currently enabled. But if you want to change it, you can either click on it over here and then click on it again, and as you can see, you can just change it, for example, to like 5, click on save, there we go, or you can just delete this one by clicking on it and clicking delete, and then creating a new one over here, and that's pretty much it. So of course you can even add multiple if you want to, but that is how you can essentially change the mileage rates in Expensify. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.